agad ng number 1, point guard ng Hoopers. Tutira ng 3, wala. Rebound, number 14, short. Yan ang Maliw. Easy basket kay Maliw. Number 14. Number 13 setting up finds number 1. Number 18 pulls the 3 in and out. 3 corner puts it in. Number 4. Ang superstar ng Hoopers, number 14. Ayan na si Maliw number 21. Nice nila ni Dumondo. Number 1. Leza. And there's a foul. Number 16. First personal foul. Yeah. Look, rebound ni Robosa. Robosa nagpapalit na hit number 16. De La Cruz. He's a layup. Number 16.
Para magkano yung uniform nila?
And number 30 finds a steal by Montanilla. Libre na naman si number 4. Easy basket. Tumira si Hoopers pero short ang tira. Well defended by the ball. Number 27 pulls the 3. Puts it in. 3 points. Ang Hoopers, number 30 hesitation penetrates. Finds number 14. Basket is good.
Parang dilim.
Si Malo number 27 pulls the 3 again. Short ang tira. Rebound by Hoopers. Number 30. Speeds in the paint. Finds number. Basket is good. Outline basketball. Number 18. Number 8 is foul. First personal. Montanilla. Numbers 18 in the line for his bonus. First one. Wala yan. Rebound yan. Number 27. Number 18, lays up, beautiful isolation with a score. As number 13 penetrates, floats, basket is good. Number 18, setting up. Number 18 steal, penetrates, and there's a foul. Who's fouled up?
Number 8.
Number 8. Number 8. That is your first personal foul. Number 11 in the line for number 18 for his bonus. Ang score natin 11-8. First basket, short. Time, 6 minutes, 31. Ito sa first quarter, yan si number 18. Number 18, pulls. Sabla yung dalawang libre tira. Yan si number 14. Abulasa, pulls the 3. Airball, one in Fontanilla, number 8. Number 8 crossing the midcourt, setting up, pulls the 3. Short, rebound by number 8. Hoopers. Number 8 and a steal. Nakuha ulit ni number 30. Number 30 cooking up in the paint. Penetrates. Nawalang bola. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 6, De La Cruz. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Number 27 in the paint. Jumper. Short. Rebound by Ablaza. Number 40. Number 40. Against number 18. No, number 8. Number 8 in the paint, floats. Basket is goal by number 1.
May platoon po 5 minutes, every 5 minutes.
There's number 18. Penetrates. And 1 basketball. Who's forward? Number 18 is foul.
Sabi mo kung dalawa na siya. Dalawang foul na si number 18 lang. Isa pa lang.
Number 18, first personal foul. Second team foul yan. There's number 30. hesitates, pass. To number 40, fades. And there's a foul. Number 8. That is your second personal foul, number 8. Ang bulasa, sablay free throw. Second one, wala yan. From Canilla, hesitation, pass to number 27. And number 27, pass number 18, pulls a 3. Basket is good. 3 points, substitution tayo. Battle tayo. Isa lang umalit. Walang players. Dito, may isa dito. Platon Idol, yung mga hindi pa naglaro.
Tatlo.
Palit yung pasok yung hindi pa naglaro. Okay.
Dalawa.
Back to the ball game tayo, number 8. I see number 14 penetrates. Finds number. Short. Rebound to number 6. Number 27. Pulls a 3. Air ball. Number 30. Left 3. That is good. 3 points. Number 13. And it's number 18. Pulls a 3. Bumawi. Basket is good. 3 points. Number 13 fades a 3. Number 14 penetrates. Scoops a shot. Nawala ang bola. Recovered by number 28. Beyond our shot. Short ang tira. Rebound number 27 to number 14. Out of bounds. Score natin 19-13 in favor of Maliw. 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Number 30 pulls a 3. Short. Rebound by Hoopers. Pulls. Basket. By number 30. Not 20. Number 22.
Ano number yun? 28 pala.
Pasok yan. And number 6.
Sino na kayo?
3 points, number 40. Score 24-16. 24-15. That's number 30. Penetrates. Out of bounds, same old possession. 12 seconds. Basket is good, number 40. That's number 27. Finds number 18. Recovered, rejected. Out of bounds, kicking violation. Barbosa. That's Plaza. Number 40, setting up. Pulls a 3. Basket is good. 3 points. Number 27. Tumira ng 3. Basket yan. Burning the dark. Number 27. Number 30, fades. Penetrates. Finds number. Scopes. And one. Basketball. Foul number 27.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty ang Team Maliw.
Ay, walang hindi nalagyan. Team Pau.
Basket is good.
Lagyan mo ng team foul na ito. Lagyan mo ng team foul. Oo. Para makita ng ref.
3 points. Counted.
Corner niya, ano na ba yun?
May team foul yan sa taas. Dito ang warning, maliw. 5 na yung foul, 4 na yung foul. 4 talaga yan. 4 isa. Dito sa kabila, isa pa lang.
Basket is good. Ang ating score ay 31-23. Here for 14. Out of bounds. First, number 30, and there's a foul. Number 16. Penalty situation, ref. Penalty. We have 19 seconds left in this first quarter.
69 at dalawang 60.
Dalawang
Second.
Number 16, De La Cruz, second personal foul. First basket is good for number 30. Ang ating score, 31-24. Second one go. 10 seconds. Buzzer na lang maririnig.
5 seconds.
5. Ablasa burning the ball for the three. Ang score natin 31-27 in favor of Team Maliw. Maliw is ahead by 4 points in this first quarter. We are now in the second quarter of this game.
Okay na. Maganda ka na muna yung
Back to the building ng Maliw. Number, tumira ng 3, short. Rebound by Hoopers. Number 30. To number 8, moves the 3. Overshoots. Rebound by number 28. In the paint, number 8. And that is a traveling violation.
Observe ka lang kung ano yung nangyayari.
And ang team Maliw. May violation tayo. Airball number 30. Number 27, ganda ng hesitation. Pinoy step. Number 30, finals number. Short ang tira. Bali number 18 yan. Number 18. Number 18, nawala ang bola. Nakuha ng Hoopers. To number 1. Wala. Recovered number 1. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound pa number 18. Number 18 to number 16. Number 40 to number 8. Rejected.
Hindi, out of bounds yun.
Okay na. Yan.
Maliw, impounding the ball. Maliw to number 18. Basket is good. Dragosa. Kasi number 18. Ang score natin 35-27. Number 30. Number 30. Step back 3. Short. Playing number 6. Number 6. Redondo. Setting up finds number 18. To Alejandro. Number 27. Alejandro, grab pass to the wrong man. Nakuha yan ni number 28. Fakes, floats. One, go recovered. Rebound na yan ni Alejandro. Ang nawalang bola, nakuha na Hoopers. To number 8. Fakes. Number 8 still. Ang nawalang bola, nakuha ni number 18. Number 18 setting up. Dripping the ball, prohibiting court. Robosa finds number 6. Traveling violation.
Tapos dito sa taas, ilinis ka yun niya para hindi mawala yung score.
There's number 1. Wala, rebound yung number 8. Pass number 14. Malakas ang pasa. Out of bounds. 6 minutes remaining in the second quarter.
5 minutes na. 5 minutes.
5 minutes time out.
5 minutes time out na yan. Reserve time out ang Hoopers. Ayun na si Floats. Wala. Nakuha na number 27. Pag pumasok yan, time out tayo. Number 27, hesitation, Alejandro. Nakuha ni number 30, Stephen Curry, behind the back pass. Walang bola, recovered, number 1, fake, sidestep, backs it in.
Pag pumasok kayo, time out sila.
Ayan na, nawala. Nakuha pa rin eh. Nakuha na number 30. Number 30, Scooby. Rebound by number 14. Recovered, number 1. Number 1. Basket is good. Number 18.
Pag nakashoot sila.
Pag nakashoot sila, time out. Eh, si number 18, Robosa. Robosa. Nawala mo rin ang bola. Kuha ni number 30 ha. Number 30, libre. Basket is good. Time out. Sige, time out na. Time out, Hoopers. Dito ang nag-time out? Maliw ang nag-time out. Wala pa kayong time out. Sila ang nag-time out.
Platon na rin, Platon.
Platon na rin, Platon. Ang score natin, 35-33. Hoopers are down by 2 points. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Buwala na. Malo yan. Number 27, throws and 3 short. Rebound by number 6. Langing mama. Malakas ang tira. And na, so, number, out of bounds. Ang score natin ay 35-33 in favor of Team Malio. Number 27 to the big man, Redondo. Foul in number 80 niya, and there's a foul. It's foul rip. Foul number 18. Number 18, that is your second personal foul. Robosa. Sablay muna. Second free throw is good. Time remaining 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Tumira ng 3 si number 1, pero wala. Rebound number 6. Ang gentle giant ng Malio, yan si number 27, Alejandro. Finds number 16, backs it in.
Time out kaya. Pag makashoot ka laban.
Number 14 setting up, finds number 1. Number 1 to number 28, in the paint, floater shot, puts it in.
Time out pag pumasok.
As in number 8, Fontanilla. Fontanilla pulling up. Nawala ang bola. Recovered by number 1 to number 8. Easy basket. Number 18, inbound ng ball to number 27. Score natin, 38-37. As in number, when there's a foul. Foul number 1. Timeout Maliw. Ano, Hoopers, sorry. Timeout Hoopers. Take isang timeout na lang kayo dito sa second quarter. Ang score natin 37-38. Baba sa isang kalamangan ng Maliw. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. And this is number 6, inbounding the ball to number 8, Fontanilla. 10 seconds to shoot. Fontanilla to Alejandro. 3. And this is number 30. Number 30 spins. Finds number 18. Recovered. And there's a foul. It's fouled. Number 6 is foul. First personal foul, number 6. 1 minute and 56 seconds left in the second quarter. First one is good. Basket is good. As in number 8, setting up. Number 8 finds number 27, Alejandro, pulls a 3. Pasok na naman yan. Mainit si number 27. As in number 30, number 30 against number 16. Tumira, pasok.
Legend ang susunod dyan. Anong picturean mo nga yung ano? Picturean mo ako.
As in number 8, number 8. Sublime tira, recovered. Number 30 pulls a 3, short. Rebound by number 18, forcing the offense. Basket is good. Number 18 lose the ball. The number 30 steal out of bounds. Miscommunication. As number 8 setting up, finds number 27, Alejandro. Alejandro cooking up. Alejandro and a steal by number 40. Number 14, Ablaza. Penetrates, hurts. Wala. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. 9 seconds in the second. Buzzer na naman yung floater. Shot by Hoopers. Kaya pa change flavor tayo. And a change flavor tayo. 45-44 in favor of Hoopers. We are now in the second half of this game.
Play mo na.
Maganda-handa na rin ang susunod na maglalaban. From the Legend Division, Batya Selections versus Bukawa Hoopers. Alright, back to the ball game. We are now in the third quarter of this game. Still in the elimination rounds between Maliu and Hoopers. This is a battle of rank number 1 in the youth division. Fontanilla secured the rebound for Team Maliu. Yan na si Fontanilla. Pass it around Redondo. Steal. Number 30 is the layup. Comes it in. 47-44. Team Maliu are now down by 3 points. As in number 16 setting up finds number 6. Pulls for a meter jumper out. Hindi pumasok. Number 30 crossing the midcourt. Setting up the play. Penetrates. In the paint finds number 1. Finds number 18 is the basket. By number 18. And now Team Maliu, number 27, Alejandro, block pass to the big man. Forcing the offense, and there's a foul committed by number. There's a foul rip, number 14. Number 14, first personal foul. Number 6 in the line, for his bonus. The first one is good. Second one, 7 the line. Abdulasa, number 30. Asid Rahman, out of bounds, single possession. Number 30, setting up, finds number 40, beautiful. 51-45 out is where si Alejandro, forcing the offense. Supply ang tira. Nakuha ni number 40, Nablasa. Number 14, steal. Penetrates, and that is an offensive foul basketball by number 40. Team Maliu, Redondo to number 27, Alejandro. Alejandro to Redondo. That is an offensive foul to number 6.
Sama sa team foul na offensive pero wala tayong free throw.
Second personal foul, number 6. Number 30. Penetrates, basket is good. 6 minutes and 57 seconds in the second quarter. Here is Fontanilla setting up. Finds number 27, Alejandro. Cross over. Back to. Steal by number 1, Redondo. Damondo. To number 30. Number 8, jumper. Basket is good. And number 18. Number 18 penetrates. Robosa. Basket yan. Ay Robosa. The reserve timeout tayo for the Maliu. 6 minutes and 16 in the second quarter. As in number 30 setting up. Shot clock down to 10 seconds. Number 30 pulls the 3 short. Recovered by number 14. Number 14 finds number 18. Rejected. Timeout Maliu. Pwede magpalit ng players. Timeout Maliu.
Walang foul, out of bounds.
We only have 5 minutes and 59 seconds. In this third quarter, Romantic score is 55-47 in favor of Hoopers. 11-second shot clock. Team Hoopers ball. Team Hoopers number 14 na walang bola, out of bounds, same ball possession. 9 seconds. Number 14. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Number 8. Forcing the offense. Finds number 1. Malakas ang tira. Rebound by the big man. Number 8. Number 6. Retondo. RC. Number 27. Alejandro. Long 3. Rebound. Number 27. Mr. Lombard. Number 28. Angeles. Setting up. Angeles still penetrates. Finds number 1. Hesitates. That is good. Floater basketball by number 1. Every number 27. Long throw. Malakas ang tira. Short ang tira. Rebound by number 40. Na walang bola. Pinasa kay number 6. Laki naman. Libre na yan. Binakdak na. Basket yan. Number 6. 52-57. Red team now are down by 5 points. Number 1, tumira ng 3. Overshoots. Rebound by number 8. Walang bola. Ball possession ng Hoopers.
Sub. Sub. Sub daw.
Substitute. Okay, wala. Mamaya.
Ilan pa yung mga
Sana lang.
Tatlo pa.
Ay, tatlo pa pala. Tapos na pala yung isa kanina.
And it's number 8 forcing. Finds number 14. Basket yan by number 40.
Reserve daw siya.
Pag makashoot sila.
Reserve timeout tayo sa Hoopers. And it's number 8 setting up. Number 8. Fontanilla still. Fontanilla. Pass to number 18. Robosa. Basket yan. Timeout. Timeout Hoopers. Ang score natin 54-59. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes 11 seconds remaining in this third quarter. Alright, back to the ball game.
Dito.
Bola ng Hoopers yan.
Running time tayo, idol. Sa fourth quarter lang yung stop tayo sa 2 minutes.
Wala na tayong, wala na tayong platoon. Ayan is number 8, tumira. Recover, and there's a foul. There's foul. Walang foul. Walang foul. Same ball possession, walang foul.
Tawa si David.
Akin sa kanya daw. Alright, number. And a steal by number 27, Alejandro. Alejandro, lumipad na. Basket niya kay Alejandro. Number 11, threading the rebounds, finds number, rejected, well defended basketball by the Maliw, libre na si number 40, tumingin pa, rejected, and there's a foul. May foul ba rin? Out of bounds, walang foul.
Mali, Dave.
Tumingin pa eh.
Mali ka.
As in number 20, number 27, to number 8, number 8, Fontanilla. Pass to number 27, pulls the 3, short, recovered by number 6. Rebound by Ablasa, number 40. Ablasa to number 11. To number fakes, sidestep 3. Sablay, rebound by number 6. Fontanilla. Arredondo. forward by Hoopers. And it's number 11. Number 11. Number 11 steal. Finds number 8. Number 8. Scoops that shot. One goal rebound by. And it's number 6. Lutan na si Fontanilla. Puts it in. Fontanilla. Babasay sa kalamangan ng Hoopers. 1 minute and 30 in this third quarter. That's number 11, number 11, number 14, number 14, forcing the offense. One goal, rebound by number 6 to number 8. 1 minute 15 in this third quarter. Fontanilla setting up. Finds number 27, pulls a 3. Wala. It's forward, out of bounds. Substitution tayo.
Napareho silang walang talo.
Parehong magaling eh.
Pareho magaling. Oh,
Kalikaran na ang score natin, 58-59. Correctly marked down by 1 point, number 30, cooking up, puts it in. Beautiful. Isolation, score. Robosa. Robosa against number 30, foul, number 30. Number 30, first personal foul. Number 8, Fontanilla, looking for an open man. Finds number 40, back to number 18. Number 18 to number 6. Number 6 in the paint, flies, puts it in. Number 11 hesitates, short, rebound by number 6. Number 6 to Alejandro. Alejandro hesitation, close. And that is foul. It's foul rep. Number 18. Number 18 is unsportsmanlike foul. Substitution, pasok. Third personal foul, number 18. First one is good for number 27, 61-16. Deadlock tayo, 61 all. Substitution. Substitution, sige, pasok. 19 seconds left in the third quarter. Deadlock tayo, 61 all. Number 27, inbound on the ball to number 8. 13 seconds. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Number 6 to number 14. Pulls the 3. Short. Rebound by Hoopers. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 30. Out of bounds. 1.8 seconds. 1.8 seconds na lang kaya. Buzzer na lang maririnig. And that is the third quarter of this game. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Maganda-handa na ang maglalaban. Patya Selections versus Bukaw Hoopers from the Legend Division. Idol Robosa.
kota. Dito, tanongin mo kasi 600, sabi niya 700 binigay.
Hindi pwede kasi ano yun eh, playing ko talaga. Oo, hindi pwede. Wala mo na yun. Sige, manilin ka lang. Kasi sa susunod na game, ganun din, matatambakan ka. Magiging 1.5 na yun.
Hindi pa kami kompleto ngayon eh.
Oo ba? Pero magiging 1.5 yung quota niya. Kahit 800 muna. Sige. Kahit 800.
Ano muna muna.
Wait lang idol, wait lang. Huwag mo munang isa. Kasi hinanap pa nila yung quota nila.
Dito 600 na sabi niya.
Idol, dito meron pa kayong ano. I-ano nyo na yung quota nila. Rep, mamaya pa. Bago natin tapusin yung laro. Okay.
Settle
Complete. Mag-settle muna yung mga quota nila. Yung mga playing fee pala. Playing fee.
Ang oras. Wala tayong pambayad sa court.
Hindi, umabol pa ng konti.
Referee, wala ka.
Gago ba siya?
Referee ngayon.
Nakita yung ginawa eh.
Sisitakas na kasi may...
Kasi pag
Yung puta mo yung panahon ako, hindi kita lakalasay. Doon ka makakakita yung sasakit siya eh.
Kulang kami kasi. Kulang kami sa player eh.
5, ano lang to, idol? 5, ano lang pala binigay?
700.
600 lang yun.
600 lang. So, 700 lang.
Saan lang namin yung ano yan?
Ilan sila ngayon?
Kami lang naman kami yun.
Sa susunod na game kayo, 1-3 na.
Oh, 1.
Okay, sige. Okay. 700 lang to eh.
Sino isa sa inyo hindi nagbigay? Baka ako. Ako naman bibigay.
1-3 ha.
Dito.
Ay, ba't nasira na yun? Then, tayo natin. Then, nag-alis eh.
Tandang takin na ako mag-order ng araw na. Makakakita ka nagsasahin sa ere. Sabi ko na winasak na rin sa bukaw.
Sa oras yung ano nila.
Alright, maganda-handa na ang susunod na paglalaban from the Legend Division, Bukawi Hoopers versus Katya Selections. And our third game for tonight will be between Shiano versus Malio Senior. And we still have one last game for tonight, Libis versus Riverside.
Double time. Ito.
Sige, buzzer mo na idol.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Back to the ball game yan. Nako ni number 8. Puts it in. Beautiful. Change favor tayo. 63-61. Balik ang kalamangan sa Team Malio. Long pass, number 16. Libre si number 14. As number 1. Number 1, the Mondan. Ang point guard ng Hoopers. Ayan si number 30, Stephen Curry ng Hoopers. Out of bounds, kicking violation. Balik ang kalamangan sa Team Malio, 65-61. This is a battle of rank number 1 sa youth division. Parehong walang talo ito. Yan si number 27. Setting up, Alejandro. Alejandro still pulls the 3. Short ang tira. Rebound by number 30. Number 30. Out of bounds. Sable possession. 8 minutes remaining. Number 11. Number 11 to number 8. Basket yan kay number 8. Number 8. Fontanilla threading the defense, and there's a foul. Foul number 14. Third, personal foul, number 14. Number 14 ba yun? Number 11.
Ano number?
Fontanilla in the line for his bonus. Yung basket yan.
Pumasok yung una.
Dalawa yung
Dalawa ang pumasok kay Fontanilla for his bonus. 67-63.
sub.
The pink team are down by 4 points.
Pag pumasok sa red idol, substitution.
Ay si number 30. Number 30. To number 11. Overshoes. Rebound by number 6.
Pag pumasok, yung tira nila. Yung number.
That is the number 6. And that is a foul. Ayun na, pwede na. Substitution. Foul number 8. Pushing foul.
Ilan sa number?
Second personal foul number 8 for the team Hoopers. Number 8 in the line, first bonus. First one, Sablay. 67-63. 8 minutes and 14. And the second one is good. Actually, number 30. Number 30. To number 11, fakes. And there's a foul committed by number 16. Substitution.
Ilan si 16?
Number 16, De La Cruz. Third personal foul. Number 11 inbounded about number 1. Number 1 floats. One goal recovered. Rebound number 18. And a steal by the Hoopers. Steal again by number 27 for the Mali team. Alejandro. Out of bounds. Bola ng Hoopers. 7 minutes 51. Ayan na si number 14.
Ilan daw yung timeout?
Magta-timeout kayo?
Hindi pa po.
Ilan daw, ilan?
Ilan timeout namin?
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
7 minutes 39 seconds.
Ilan ang mali? Ilan timeout?
Meron pa kayong tig na dalawang timeout ha. Both teams, tig na dalawang timeout kayo. And number 27 forcing the offense. The forward number 18. Basket, baseline. 68-63. The pink team are down by 5 points. 7 minutes 13. Remaining, number 14, Brody Ruiz, finds number 11. Short, single possession. Number 30, forcing the offense underneath. Pasok yan kay number 30. Number 18, Robosa. Nakalusot, nakawala. Sablay ang tira. Ayan na si number 30. Number 30, Malyari. Forcing the offense. One goal. Rebound by Hoopers. Puts it in. Number 1. Mula sa tatlong kalamangan ng Mario. Number 18, number 14. Fades. Nakawala. Rejected. And there's a foul. Who's foul rep?
Number 1.
Foul number. Sino na foul rep?
Technical number 13 for second to a goal. I-record. May warning
Number 30?
Warning for technical number 30 for resentment for a call.
Sino na foul kanina? Number 30. Hindi pumasok.
Hindi.
Set free throw. Wala pa rin. Recovered by number 6. Basket is good. And one basketball by number 6. Foul number 18.
Ilan si 18? Apat.
Number 18, warning to graduate fourth personal foul.
Timeout tayo pag pumasok.
Pag na-shoot, pag na-shoot.
Pag na-shoot tayo matapos.
Alam, sab.
Reserve timeout tayo pag pumasok. Wala, nakuha ni number 40, Ablasa. 72-67 ang ating score. Ablasa, trading the defense. Steal by number 16. Number 16, De La Cruz. Rise. Overshoots. Recovered to number 18, Robosa. Puts it in. Timeout. out, Hoopers. We only have 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in this fourth quarter. 74-67 ang ating score. Isa na lang ang timeout ng Hoopers. Dalawa sa Maliw.
Saan na ang timeout?
Wala pa tayong penalty ha, both teams. Third team foul pa lang sa Hoopers. Warning for penalty na pa lang. Wala yun. Back to the ball game there. Ayan na, si number 30, forcing the offense, losing the ball, recovered, and there's a foul, a traveling violation. Traveling number 30. Number 27, crossing the midcourt against number 11. Almost losing the ball, recovered. Number 11, number 27 steals to number 6. 10 seconds to shoot, number 18 to number 6. 5 seconds to shoot, umikot, nawala ang bola. Nakuha ng Hoopers. Hoopers, number 1, floats. Put back, recovered. Number 1 forcing the offense. Walang bola, kuha ni number 14 yan. To number 16, number 16. Napakabilis, kita si number 6. Basket is good, and one basketball. Ball number 8.
Eight ba yan?
Number 14 is foul. Number 14, warning to graduate fourth, personal foul. Penalty situation na tayo, Hoopers ha. Number 6 in the line. 76-67 ang ating score. The first round, one goal. Wani Ablasa. Ablasa. To number 11, number shoots, recovered. Buhaya now. Team Hoopers number 30. Fates, finds number 1. Puts it in. Number 1. Out of bounds. Maliu's ball. Time remaining 4 minutes. As in Malio, number 6. Inbound the ball to number 16. Number 16, De La Cruz. Number 16. Almost losing the ball. To number 18. Close the 3. Wala. Recovered number 16. De La Cruz to Alejandro. 10 seconds to shoot. Alejandro pulls the 3. In and out. One goal. Rebound na ng Hoopers to number 11. Sidestep. Sobrang tira. Number 11. Wala pa rin. Nakahuli ni number 1. And a steal by number 16. De La Cruz. Napakabilis. Wala. Recovered. Number 16 steal to Rogosa. And there's a foul. Foul number 1. Substitution. Sino na foul?
Bilang si Juan.
Second personal foul, number 1.
Mag-sub ka, idol. Pag masot yung pangalawa,
Pwede ka pumasok. Ayan si number 18. Supply yung una. Ang score natin 76-69. 3 minutes and 22 seconds left in this last quarter. Sino is there? Substitution. Pasok. Angeles, number 28. Substitution. Pasok. As in Angeles, number 28. Setting up the play. Angeles. Forcing the offense. Walang bola. Nakuha yan ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz! Na out of bounds. ng Hoopers. Hoopers number 30, Malyari. Malyari spins, forcing. That is a traveling violation.
Ganito mo yung pagkain.
Foul number 27.
Akin yung susi.
Pangilan na si number 27.
Kaya iikot-ikot mo muna. Kanin ko lang ito. Ganyan. Pag madilim, ganyan mo muna.
Pasok na idol. Substitution.
Second personal foul, 27.
Second personal foul number 27. Penalty ang Hoopers. Penalty. Ay, wala pa idol. Wala. Yung mali yung penalty. Yung Hoopers ang titiran. Isa pa lang ang foul ng ano. Eric number 11. Number 11 steal. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Aplas at those at 3. 3 points. 72-77. Babasa na yung mga kalamangan ng Malio. Si number 18 to number 6. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Meron ba kayong isang timeout? Yan si number 8, Fort Manila, forcing the offense, penetrates, backs it in. Number 28, lose the ball, same ball possession. Number 28, inbounded the ball to number 30, Malyari, pulls the 3. One go, rebound by number 8, Frontanilla. Long pass to Robosa. Robosa, nice kila niya ni number 30. Number 30. Pass to number. Bola, out of bounds. Ayan na, meron na tayo. Score natin 79-72. Kasi number 18. Number 18. And number C8. Frontanilla. Last 2 minutes tayo. Number 18. And there's a foul. Committed by number 13. Number 30, Malyari. Third personal foul. Penalty situation na. Thirteen foul pa ang Hoopers. First one ay hindi pumasok kay Fontanilla. 79-72. Second one is good. 1 minute and 54 seconds left. Tumira ng 13 Aplaza, wala. Recovered by Aplaza number 14 at the baseline, and there's a foul. Committed by number 6. Number 6, third. Personal foul. 13 foul yan na Malio. The first one is good. Basa pito ang kalamangan ng Malio. Second one, Rondo. Rebound by the Malio. 1 minute and 40. Number 27, Alejandro. Setting up, Alejandro steal. Alejandro pulls a 3. Short rebound by the big man. Puts it in. 82-73. Out of bounds. Malik ball.
Wala na sila.
Wala nang timeout ang Hoopers. Meron pa isa sa Malio.
Dalawa pa sa man.
Ilan pa?
Dalawa.
Dalawa pang timeout kay Malio. Ang score natin 82-73.
Sige na, idol.
Alright, back to the ball game. We only have 1 minute and 22 seconds left. Ang score natin 82-73 in favor of the red team, Team Malio. Our next game for tonight will be between Bukawi Hoopers and Batya selections from the Legend Division. Maganda-handa na rin ang susunod na maglalaro from the Legend Division. And si number 8, setting up Fontanilla, lose the ball. Pass to number 1, Lumondon, libre na yan. Puts it in. 82-75. Number 18, inbounded the ball to number 14. Number 14 finds number 6. Number 6, the big man. To number 14, back to number 18. Number 18, threading the defense. Puts it in. Beautiful isolation with a score by Robosa. Ayan ang superstar ng Hoopers, number 14. Lumipad na yan. And there's a foul committed by number 6. Fourth team foul na tayo.
Apat na yung 6.
Number 6, fourth personal foul. The first one, wala yan, sablay. Second one, wala pa rin. Fontanilla inbounded the ball to number 27. Number 27, 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds, buzzer nilang naririnig. 14, Fontanilla. Dumundong pala yun. Ayun na ang Hoopers. Walang-wala. 24 seconds left. 23 seconds. 20 seconds left. 84-76. And that ends tournament. One score in 84-76. Congratulations to the Team Maliw. Both teams are still qualified for the quarterfinals.